We went and crashed into Fielding. I'm sorry, Fielding. I'm sorry, Levi. All right, we're on track. We're sitting on a tandem line. We'll see what happens. Fingers crossed somebody cool comes up. There goes Denofa. We just got done doing some tandems with C4 T8. Lewis is killing the game. Hell yeah. Before that, we did a run with Chelsea Denofa. 2 runs with Chelsea Denofa, I think, actually. I can't even remember. Awesome time. There he goes right there. What's up, Denofa? All right, got the car nice and cooled down. We're about to get on track again. We're gonna see who wants a tandem. Yeah. Well, everything was going good up until I had a little spin out, and Fielding and myself, Levi all had a 3-way. A little bit of a crash action. My damage isn't looking too bad. I just got a bent up fender and a broken up bumper, and the headlight came out. I'm thinking some tape and some zip ties and we'll be all right. A little bit of hammering, and the car still drove straight and actually was still holding coolant pressure, so we'll see how it goes. Fingers crossed. We went and crashed into Fielding. I'm sorry, Fielding. I'm sorry, Levi.
Got 2 headlights now.
Well guys, it's the last day at Musselman's. We're gonna head to the Airbnb. call it a night, get some editing in, go from there, and then we'll head to Texas tomorrow morning probably, or tomorrow afternoon.
Yeah, afternoon.
Yeah. So we'll be going to Dallas, and we'll have a couple of days in between, so fingers crossed everything goes good. We'll get there smooth and safe and sound, and then we
Houston,
can drift again. Houston, not Dallas. We were in Dallas before.
Yes.
Heading to Houston, and then we can drift again.
For Speed Sports, which is also open to the public.
Ooh, Speed Sports, open to the public. We'll see you guys there. All right, guys, we're here with Driftweek 2. Second day of drifting is over. We're all traveling now. We're all prepping and getting out of here. Everyone's gonna be leaving. We're heading to Texas. I gotta give a huge shout out to Lone Star Drift. Aaron came over and got me a good interview again. Thank you so much. And I got to meet Hurt. That was awesome too. He came over and got a couple of shots of the car too. So it's been really good. Sarah Haro as well, met her. Yeah, so far so good. That's he got on the road. Rob, Dustin. So right as we were right about to leave for our journey, I discovered my radiator's leaking. I tried to JB weld it, but it is not working. I tried to epoxy it, it's not working. It's still dripping. I'm gonna have to send this the whole way with the cap open for now, and maybe order a new radiator to be delivered in Texas. Fingers crossed, it's always something. Always something. Say it again.
How's the drive going?
Pretty good. The radiator's holding. We put some Blue Devil in it thanks to Drift HQ.
How's the sound level in there?
Still very loud.
Oh yeah. Are you comfortable or no?
It's hot.
It's hot?
Not super comfortable. What's up, guys? We stopped at a random spot in Mexico to get some gas. And we got invited out to slide this lot. Yeah, we're out here. We're doing Driftweek stuff. Check it out, guys. What was that? First gear, not third. You having fun, Rob? Damn. There's a lot of rocks on there, huh? A little slippery.
I can't see shit.
All right, man. We are wrapping up here. Looks like we're getting ready to go. You heading out? We heading out?
Unless you want to.
Nah, I'm good. I'm not unhooking. I'm good. I'm good. My shit's got a cracked radiator. Maybe the next one.
Alrighty, you know we stopped for another light painting. It's gonna be really cool. You can barely see my face, but it's nice. We love doing this stuff.
We made it to the hotel. We're gonna do some editing. Got Hash Garage Services over there chilling. And tomorrow's another day. Another 8 hours of driving, at least maybe 10.
Yeah, but at least tomorrow we'll have a bigger convoy.
Oh yes. Many more.